If you tell people you live in Syokimau, they will assume one thing, that you are very rich, and it is the truth. That's why I am going to justify that today. This is a typical gated estate of 14 units, and the average price per unit is above 30 million Kenya shillings. This specific unit that we are going to show you today is very, very special. It is very huge. First, 500 square meters of prime area. The quality of finishes are excellent. Wait until I take you inside. And it comes with many amenities and many rooms that will serve your purpose. Price of this one, 36 million Kenya shillings. And my duty today is to give you a tour, and you tell me if it's worth it. And if it is, you need to call us with the number that will be attached down here and take it. Syokimau locality is just 15 minutes through the Nairobi Expressway, and from the Syokimau exit to this unit, you just need to drive for only 10 minutes through a very nice new tarmac. The unit has been done very, very well. From there, you can agree with me that the perimeter wall has been done excellently. And the developer has given you a garden on this side and another one on this side, just to make sure that you can plant your favorite flowers. I'll take you inside and we will see what the developer has done. When Africa is mentioned, security is paramount. And Africans follow one slogan: it's better to be safe than sorry. That's why this developer has given you several security features. First, you are going to get a metal casement gate, which is very important to shield you from the neighbors. This gate comes with an electric fence on top, and the whole unit has been surrounded by an electric fence that can stop from any person or any Spider-Man who would want to invade your privacy. If that is not enough, the developer has given you a very good perimeter wall, and he has created a system to where you can install your 24 hours surveillance system. For your 2 or 3 cars, the developer has given you a very nice parking. It has been done excellently, and it would easily fit 3 or 4 cars. The space is good and very well done, and kama uko na Range Rover, haitachomwa na jua. Si unajua hiyo ni Slay Queen. Anyway, this other side has been left for your front yard. It is not the biggest, but you would understand why, because this unit has been constructed on a 50 by 100 lot. The unit is huge, 500 square meters. From there, you can see that the facade has been done very well. I like the cladding. The entrance porch has been beautifully done, and the main entrance is a masterpiece. The main entrance itself is a 5-foot metal casement pivot door, and this one is very, very stylish, and it is giving you a very good access to this unit, and it is also giving you a sense of grandness and poshness. When it comes to this price point, a foyer is very important and very necessary, but it becomes better when it is functional. This developer has done one of the best, and this one comes with a very, very beautiful chandelier, and the foyer itself gives you a very good introduction to the living room, which is on my left hand side, and the dining area, which is in my right side. It then proceeds to the guest room area and the staircase that will take you to the upper level. We will see that later. If you are out there and you are aspiring to be a developer, when you do construct, make sure you give your clients a showstopper or a highlight of the unit. And in this home, you have the living room. It has been done excellently, and it is ticking all the boxes. On my left hand side, you have the TV area. It has been done very well, and this focal point has been modified very well to prepare itself for the electronics that you're going to bring here. You also have a very nice ceiling, a single volume ceiling on this side and a double volume ceiling on that other side. This cladding is heavenly, and what is making it popping so well is the two big windows that are next to it. They shed light inside, and this dark granite becomes very, very beautiful. It doesn't look out of place, and I like how the developer was able to achieve that. The chandelier is huge, and it is enjoying the larger part of the double volume. The family room is up there, and from the family room you're able to see the chandelier and also the people who are sitting in this main living room. In terms of natural lighting, the developer has given you 4 big windows to make sure that you'll never lack any of it. About the artificial lighting or the night lighting, you can see for yourself. If this is not what you need, I don't know where your standards are. From the living room through the foyer, you have the dining area on my far front, and it has been done very well. I like it that the developer was able to allocate this space to easily fit a 12-seater dining set. And you have these 2 big windows to make sure that you're going to get enough natural light as you're enjoying your food. For the extra social families, this dining is heavenly, because from here you can be able to have a conversation with a person in the main living room, but you have to shout a little bit. But also you can have a very nice conversation with the person in the kitchen as they are cooking while you are here enjoying your starters. As African real estate, we check the comment sections of the videos that we upload. And for the Americans in the channel right now, do not ask us what this is for. The Africans in the channel will tell you, and it is very important to us. We are not weird, we are just different. On my far front, you have the kitchen of this unit. Come closer. It has been done very, very well, and I like the size of it. Here is where you are supposed to do your side-by-side refrigerator. You have spaces that have been left here for your microwave and your oven. For the people who like an 8-burner cooktop, the space has been left here, so we can just cut a slot and we will install that. If you want a small burner, that is necessary, and we can also provide that. I like it that the kitchen is coming with an island, and this one is functional because you can be chopping your skuma wiki over here while you are cooking ugali on that other side. The sink is next to the window, just to make sure that you can easily wash and rinse your utensils, and making sure that you can see every dirt in those utensils. A provision for a dishwasher has been given by the developer, and on top of that, he has given you numerous upper and lower cabinetry for the people who have a lot of cutlery and crockery. The light fixture is very beautiful, and the developer has given you other lighting over there, some other lighting over here, just to make sure that you can easily access your shelves and see what is in them. This kitchen comes with a pantry, and as you can see, it comes with numerous compartments for your dry foods. From the pantry, you have another room here, which is supposed to act as the laundry room. And as you can see, it is big enough to fit a big washer and a big dryer. You are also getting very nice floor traps, an exit for the fall water, and some inlets for the clean water. This door is taking you to the rear side where we have the kitchen garden and the employee quarters. We also have a clothesline area in that section. We will see that right now. This is the rear side, and this is where you are supposed to do your clotheslines area. You get a small kitchen garden over there. That is the employee quarters plus an outside toilet, and under here you have 15,000 liter water tank. From the common areas, we are at the staircase which is taking you to the upper level, but still on this level we have the common washroom and the guest bedroom. But before we see all that, you have a space here which has been designed for your flowers or your portraits, or maybe decorations. So if you have an interior designer, they would know what to do with this space. You get a vanity over here, and this is excellent, especially for the people who are doing some chores around this area. You don't have to get into the toilet to wash your hands. That is important. This is the common washroom. It comes with a WC and a bidet sprayer. The guest bedroom has been done very well. I like the size of it, and I like it that it is coming with these 3 big windows to give you enough natural light. The closet is here, floor to ceiling, partitioned very well, and I like the quality of this cabinetry. The guest bathroom comes with a showering area on this side, which comes with a rain shower and a towel holder. At the center, you have a vanity, and on my right hand side, you have the washroom area. All the bathrooms in this unit adopt a similar concept. The shower cubicles are yet to be added. For the people who want to compare this unit to many other, make sure you visit our website africanrealestate.com, and that's where you will find many more units in many more localities. For the people who are interested in purchasing this unit or any other, make sure you get a pre-purchase inspection from us. On this level, we have 3 bedrooms and the family room. We will see all of them. This bedroom is a replica to the guest bedroom. The only difference is that this one comes with a balcony. As you can see, the closet is slightly big, just a tiny bit bigger, but adopting a similar concept. The partitionings have been done very well, where you get some spaces here for the foldable clothes, some drawers down there for the tiny garments, and you have spaces for the hangable clothes. The balcony is giving you the best view of Syokimau, and if you have been here before, you know that Syokimau is very serene. The bathroom to this bedroom has been done very well. I like the vanity. You have your WC over here. A bidet sprayer is necessary, a tissue holder, and the tiles have gone up to the ceiling. That is very important, especially when you have a lot of vapor in the bathroom. We proceed. As I mentioned, this level comes with 3 bedrooms. We just saw the first one. You get an extra shoe rack over here where you can keep the shoes that you easily use or you regularly use. It has been done very well, by the way. Let's see the family room. The family room is enjoying this balcony, which is giving you a nice view to Syokimau locality. As you can see, the space is big enough to do a 5-seater couch. That is the focal point where you're supposed to do your TV. And if you're not interested in seeing the TV, you can enjoy the beautiful view of this double volume and the 2 chandeliers, one that is pointing to the living room and the other one which is pointing to the foyer. From the family room, you have the other 2 bedrooms here. One is the master or the primary bedroom, and next to it, you have a bedroom that is targeting your young children, so that when they cry, the parent may be able to attend to them as fast as possible. This bedroom is beautifully done, and it comes with a big transparent window, which is also an access to the balcony. From here, you are going to enjoy the rear side of this unit where the kitchen garden is. This is the closet, floor to ceiling, big enough for children clothes. The color and the quality is very nice, and I like it that everything is blending with each other. What we've not talked about is the quality of these doors, which is mahogany as usual, and very strong and heavy door. The bathroom is here, and it is adopting a similar concept to all the bathrooms that we have seen, coming with a vanity at the center, a showering area on this side, and a washroom area behind the door. The primary bedroom has been built different. It comes with the walk-in closet at the entrance, and this walk-in closet would be huge for you and your partner. It comes with some drawers over here where you can keep the small garments. You have some spaces over here where you can keep the shoes, and all this other storage is for the rest of the clothes. The primary bathroom is the biggest, and it comes as usual with a WC over there. You get a shower cubicle which is big enough for 2 people, a vanity which have several drawers to where you can keep all your toiletries or other, maybe some soaps. Yeah. You are also going to get a double towel holder for you and your sweetheart. The primary bedroom comes with the most unique tile we have seen in the channel. I have not seen something like this even in the high-end homes, but what I can assure you is that the quality is very nice and it feels very nice on your feet. As you can see, the sleeping space would be big enough for your king size or queen size bed, and I like it that the developer was able to give you a starlight for this ceiling. The bedroom comes with 3 big windows for enough natural light, and this one also acts as an access to the main primary balcony. This balcony is the biggest and it is giving you the best view to the front side of the unit. From here you'll be able to get the best aerial view of your cars, and also you'll be able to see the quality of neighbors that you have. And from there you can agree with me that kila mtu hapa ako na kakitu. If there is something that comes in plenty in this house, is chandeliers, and this developer has chosen the best in the market. On this level, we have 3 extra rooms of which you can allocate any function to them, and also we have the 5th bedroom. This is the first room. It can be used as an office or maybe the security room. Because of the number of rooms that we have on this level, we also have a common washroom. This is another room and it can be used as a library or maybe a prayer room. This is the 3rd extra room and it can be used as a gym room or a yoga room. The 5th bedroom comes with a small foyer. It is the smallest, though it comes with 3 big windows, and from this side you can be able to access the balcony. From this balcony you are going to enjoy the side of this unit. The closet comes with some sections there for the shoes, 3 drawers down there. You have some sections for the foldable clothes, and if you have some suits, you will always hang them here. Up there, you have some extra spaces where you can keep your extra duvet or the long boots that you only use in the rainy seasons. The bathroom is adopting a similar concept, a vanity at the center. The developer will add a mirror over here. This is the showering area, and behind the door, we have the WC. The developer has also given you a pergola where you can relax when you don't want to get direct sunlight. If you are a person who enjoys hosting, this is an excellent space. And if you're interested in this unit, our number will be attached in the description all down here. If you are interested, you know what to do. This is an excellent home. We have come to the end of the tour and we hope you have enjoyed. This is African Real Estate. My name is Mungai Kihara and we will see you in the next one. Bye. Bye. Endeni nyumbani.